The cities are silent, the highways are empty, and fuel, it's worth more than gold. If you want to survive, you need wheels. Today I'll show you how to build your own electric vehicle from scratch, using only what's left in the ruins of the old world. First, you need a skeleton, the frame. Search abandoned garages, scrap yards, or even burned out cars on the roadside. You want something light, ideally an old small car or even a golf cart frame. If it's too rusted, strip it down to the bare metal and weld reinforcements using scavenged steel pipes. Without good wheels, you're not going anywhere. Find 4 tires that still hold air. Bicycle tires won't cut it. You need car tires with decent tread. Check suspension parts like springs and shocks from abandoned vehicles and swap them into your build. In the wasteland, comfort matters less than stability. Your car has to survive potholes and debris. For steering, salvage a rack and pinion system from a compact car. Avoid damaged steering columns. A bent one can lock up at the worst time. Keep your design simple. The fewer moving parts, the fewer things can break. Weld or bolt everything securely. Out here, loose bolts mean death. Now the heart of your EV, the motor. Scavenge an electric forklift, an old mobility scooter, or even a wrecked Tesla if you're lucky. You want a motor rated between 5 to 15 kilowatts, enough to move your build without draining batteries too fast. Keep in mind, the more power you demand, the more batteries you'll need. Fabricate a mount using steel brackets, and make sure the motor lines up with your drivetrain, either a direct connection to the axle or through a salvaged gearbox. A misaligned motor will waste precious power and burn out early. The frame is ready, the wheels are on, the motor is in place, but without power, it's just a shell. In the next part, we'll bring it to life: wiring, batteries, and a system that can keep you moving long after the gas is gone.